Siasa ni gwatite MWANKI mamburene janke amaya arimu na atruangirwa nyambene muchijo mawegembe South ndo aya miario katika MUBUNGE wegembe North Julius TAITUMU na uria wari minister wa urimi na ndethia mithika LINTURI nionekete kureta murutirajo munene kiathone kiu akari bakioneka kuregana na miario ya TAITUMU na kuigika kindiki urotaritwa ari munini wa rais kujukia kanyaga GACHAGUA no LINTURI akiuga kwaria uma ni kugutwikite thina iria nene Kenya. Dennis Mugendi na Chotariria.
Bati njega ya minister ukaria kithure kindiki kurotwira isiruto ari munini wawe na mbunge kumukurukia ni twikite mbati mbi kiria mirubaba ingi mbati 3 meter ruthingo rwa kirima na rwirinte twikujirite kiathoneki ari mu mucine maua ari mubunge wa IGEMBE North Julius TAITUMU aringiritwe iguru ikirindi nyuma ya kuboria kethuri bagwiritwe ikindiki gutwika munini wa rais.
Na siasa iko pale ya kikatiba na iko hivi. Profesa Kindiki. Siniseme. Tuseme unajua kwa siasa kila mtu ako na haki ya maoni yake. If it becomes the 12th vice president or deputy president or the 3rd deputy president of this republic, hiyo ni baya kwetu. That one will be a momentous occasion. One, it will be history made. Okay, if you don't want that one, fine. Okay, asante. Tuachane na hiyo. Solidarity. 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 Asanteni sana. We have learned, isn't it? If you make a mistake, you learn out of it. It is through mistake that you have learned. Na hiyo sasa ikae namna hiyo, peaceful and enjoyable occasion. Thank you very much.
Na nyuma ya TAITUMU na we KUGWATA uge mithika LINTURI.
Nimesamehewa hiyo makosa. Tumerudi pale tulikuwa.
Akenerwa na kwira no mwanka umabwaru na burunga munabu o tauria RIGATHI GACHAGUA ari mwaria uma ona kinyawe.
And I'm lost of words because I don't know whether to use the word truthful or which other one, because this word truthful is causing a lot of problems in this country and has really messed some of us from being truthful. And then tell me how truthful, how to use the one truthful, because ni kama ni ukiamkuwa mtu wa kusema ukweli, wewe unakuwa condemned kama mtu yule anauza bangi ama anauza kokaini. Sababu ya kusema ukweli. And I'm asking myself, for how long shall we continue living in denial? We have to make a decision whether mnataka tuendelee maisha ya kundanganyana ama tuwe tukisema ukweli.
LINTURI akathira urumwe na ntukwithwa bari na kiama igwa gitumi mono tontu gukethirwa we na GACHAGUA ibarari na kiama batindi ingi kurukwa ira isuruto.
And ugandikane because you know me, I'm jobless. And I can tell you for free and without any fear, when you are making negotiations, when you are structured, you come out stronger, you are better, and you cannot easily be targeted. And I will tell you how I regret today that today I regret, because you know I've been a politician for a long time. I'm a practicing one. And why I'm telling you we have to open up our eyes now, because we do not want regrets in the future. That because we are very close to the president, and you know the kind of war and the kind of push that we did. And I've always been very firm in something that I believe in. Katiba yako reta kithomo eto twatha nderere kibage no ara arungami next kin Uhuru Kenyatta no to support William Ruto akureta kiongo ndamura I don't care, right? We'll go with William Ruto. When we went with William Ruto, We've worked so hard, we got government, and the only thing I regret is that whenever Mbondozi was negotiating, using a political party, signing agreements, GACHAGUA and I said no, let us proceed, we believe and we trust you. So tuende, hakuna shida. Now, neboto uwirega kubwira umenda nkwendobera maana kwa bwenai, bwena kithurano kana kia mabumba kwa aju nakyo. Baraba mbere kuumia, medeka, na laino, kwa ni threaten excitement. Miakera na brato thoma, nebwiri uturitana something. Baba thoma nebwiri uturambi, it must count and must mean something.
Siasa iji nasio igwete MWANKI na kuniondiria mithika LINTURI augite no ejiti kuromba giti kia ungavana kaunti neji ya Meru.
So wabunge, listen to what people say and don't dismiss them. Tebo ganto beto. Wateta bonkeranire nao. Tukuera ya kinyanke ya bonterie nguite sawa. Thank you very much.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru Wikendi, Mushine Omaua, kaunti ya Meru.